Welcome to Health Wanderer. Discover the hidden health benefits of carrots and how they can transform your well-being. If you enjoy learning about simple ways to boost your health, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more valuable tips. Ever wonder how a simple carrot can boost your health in surprising ways? This humble root vegetable is packed with nutrients that support various aspects of well-being, making it a must-have in your diet. Carrots are a staple in kitchens worldwide due to their vibrant color, sweet taste, and versatility. Rich in beta-carotene, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, they provide essential nutrients for optimal health. Carrots are renowned for enhancing eyesight. Their high levels of vitamin A and beta-carotene are vital for maintaining healthy vision and preventing night blindness, ensuring your eyes stay sharp and clear. The antioxidants in carrots work wonders for your skin, promoting a radiant glow. By combating free radicals, they help reduce signs of aging and keep your complexion smooth and youthful. Carrots play a crucial role in boosting the immune system. Their abundance of vitamins and antioxidants helps strengthen the body's defenses, making you more resilient against illnesses and infections. Carrots are a great source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. This fiber also supports gut health, making digestion more efficient and comfortable. Packed with antioxidants like beta-carotene, carrots contribute to heart health by reducing oxidative stress. These compounds help maintain healthy cholesterol levels and support overall cardiovascular function, reducing the risk of heart disease. Studies suggest that the antioxidants and phytochemicals in carrots may reduce cancer risk. Regular consumption is linked to a lower likelihood of developing certain cancers, highlighting their potential as a protective food. Low in calories yet rich in nutrients, carrots are ideal for weight management. Their fiber content promotes satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer, making them a smart choice for weight loss. Carrots contain essential vitamins like K and C, which play a role in maintaining strong bones. These nutrients work together to support bone density and overall skeletal health, especially as we age. Carrots help regulate blood sugar levels due to their low glycemic index and high fiber content. This makes them an excellent choice for those looking to maintain balanced blood sugar levels. Chewing on crunchy carrots can enhance oral hygiene by stimulating gums and increasing saliva production. This natural cleansing action reduces plaque buildup, promoting healthier teeth and fresher breath. Packed with antioxidants, carrots benefit brain health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. These nutrients support cognitive function, potentially lowering the risk of age-related memory decline and enhancing mental clarity. The rich antioxidant profile of carrots helps combat free radicals, slowing down the aging process. These nutrients protect skin cells, maintaining a youthful appearance and reducing signs of aging. Carrots support liver health by aiding detoxification processes. Their high content of beta-carotene and antioxidants assists in flushing out toxins, promoting a more efficient and healthier liver function. Carrots are packed with essential nutrients like folate and vitamin A, crucial for fetal development. Including carrots in a pregnancy diet supports healthy growth and can help prevent birth defects. From crunchy salads to sweet desserts, carrots are incredibly versatile. Whether roasted, juiced, or raw, there are countless delicious ways to incorporate carrots into your daily meals. Did you know carrots were originally purple? Over time, orange became the most common color. They come in various shades and sizes, each with its unique flavor and nutritional profile. Carrots offer an impressive array of health benefits, from boosting immunity to supporting heart health. Their nutrient-rich profile makes them a valuable addition to any balanced diet. Why wait any longer? Harness the vibrant power of carrots today by adding them to your grocery list and start enjoying their incredible health benefits. Your body will thank you for it.